Rightio. Now on the annual get together for Ural, September of 2023, was it all that far back? My word. I had troubles with this, and it resulted in the luggage rack taking off and the spare wheel falling off. Now a couple of bikes who were following me, because it was a really noisy bumpy ride, and I didn't hear or feel anything strange. But it looked like a really common problem that people have had, and while we were on that run I saw a few examples of how people had modified this part to make sure that the luggage rack and the spare wheel don't come off. Now Ural up on the mountain there were kind enough to give me one of these, and it came along with this plastic bit. Now I remember when I first had the bike, it had a plastic bit there. I must have dropped it or whatever, or forgotten to put it back on, and that is what caused the problem, because ever since, and I've done a couple of thousand Ks on it, and some of it has been fairly bumpy, I can tell you, and this hasn't budged. So that plastic bit, it's not packaging, guys and girls, it's vital.